guys, welcome back to the channel. What we're doing today is next step in our building project out here. We framed that wall, you've seen that video, and we still got a couple more walls framed. But we're in the process of cutting our siding, and Matthew and I decided we was going to use pine, but we got an elevation problem. The ground is way up around the perimeter of our addition, and it's never going to get any better. So to alleviate the water problem, we're going to just side it in red oak. It's a better product, a lot more expensive product, but it really, not to us, it's not. You know, we got a log laying here. If you look over here on the other side, we cut some 12-foot 1x10s earlier, and went back and did a little measure and realized that the last 5 feet is beyond what this will reach. So we needed some 16-footers, actually 13 to 14 and a half, I think. But we got a 17-foot log. We're going to get some 1x10s out of it and move on. So thanks for tuning in. We'll be right back. Okay guys, that's going to do it on this 17-foot red oak. That was a beautiful log. I wouldn't characterize it as a number one. It's got some part defects in it, but for nailing on the side of our barn, it'll be a A++ board, so it's good enough for us. It yielded 9 perfect 1x10s, and I had 3 1x9s. And the last board on each side is going to need to be cut down anyway, so that's probably where they'll end up. That should be enough to do this side as well as the other side when we get to it. But plan is to come back in the morning and, well, we got to unload the kiln. But after that, we're going to sheath this sidewall, put the windows in it, and we'll bring you along for the ride. So hang on and we'll be right back. Okay guys, what you just seen, I climbed up there and I took this straight board, squared it up with the outside post, and took another one and squared it up to the roof pitch and struck an angle. That's the easy way to figure out your roof pitch instead of sitting there, because I'm not exactly sure what that is. We built what we liked. Now the building is a 3.5. This, probably a 2, just guessing, but instead of having to guess at it, now I have an exact cut. Nobody will ever see it, because once we put it all the way up and then put that trim back on, it'll be completely hidden, but we still want it to fit as tight as possible. So that's our angle. I'll transfer this to a 10-inch wide board over here, and we'll try to put some siding on this morning. Okay guys, somewhere in there the camera battery died, and I had good help this morning. Dad come by and helped for a while, so I wasn't even looking at it, but we got most of the wall done. I got 2 pieces over here on this side, as you can see, right over here. I'm gonna do those after lunch. I need a break, but pretty simple, just board and batten. You know, put it up. You're gonna have some cracks and gaps and stuff, but when you put your battens on there, and I got a piece of trim that goes, you know, right back up across the top here, and I'll cover all that up. So we're gonna get a bite to eat, and Matthew should be back after lunch. We'll get some more done. Hang on, we'll be right back. If you left a 1/4-inch gap up there, it'd be even better. Where you want me to? Right there, I think. Gotta get behind the water, look, it's big in here. Here. Yep. Good enough for government work. Okay, guys. You see, we just chalked a line across the bottom there. We got a piece of 4-inch trim that's go along the bottom. When you're working this close to the ground, I didn't have any way of getting a ledger board or anything down there to set them on. So you're going to end up with a little irregularity. And the way to fix that is trim. But we're getting close. We got our windows installed. Matthew just finished caulking them up. We're going to put this bottom trim on. We got this piece of metal goes back across the top, and we'll be ready for batten strips and one little piece of trim over there. So hang in there. We're getting ready to finish this up. Appreciate it, guys. That's where it needs to sit. Should sit right there. Yeah, it's a smidge short up here, but well, I got to move over some. There should be a mark right there, right? Yours is right there. That's much better. As soon as I get it where I want it, I'm gonna hold it with this 2.5-inch screw. I just need some 3.5s and I'll make it permanent. Here you go. Tighten it up.
It was pushing the O-ring out.
Loose. I tried to tighten it earlier, but I only got a hand tight. That's the stop. Got loose. Okay. Hold my mark. How's that, KK?
I like it.
$9 side. It's the same way you build a house, just lots more of it. Just need more bodies where you can get more boards up every day.
Yeah. It looks good. What?
It's done. Okay, guys. Ones that are still watching, we greatly appreciate it. We got to the end of today's video. We accomplished our goal. We wanted to get this wall done. We got 3 other walls to do, but this was the main one because our electrician and the power company is going to mount our new meter box and disconnect right here. And if they happen to show up ready to work, we didn't want to be the holdup. So we got our part done. We got this wall finished. All we got to do is turn this corner. We got a little 2-foot wall we got to build, and then of course the big 20-foot wall in the other end. But that'll be another video. It got warm today and I'm out of gas. Like always, guys, this is not how to, this is how Matthew and I chose to do it. I'm sure there's 100 different ways of doing it. Got to remember that at the end of the day, this is a sawmill. It's not a home. You know, we're not worried that much about it. While we're here, spin around there. Look at that nice pile of logs that got delivered today.
Yeah, and we've got the inspectors over there. They got to chew some bark off and check on it.
Yeah, they gotta make sure the quality is okay. Can't get away from the dogs. But guys, that's gonna do it. We greatly appreciate it. There should have been a video come out where we had explained passing 1 million views, and I'm still blown away. We're thankful and appreciative every day. If you got any questions, comments, leave them in the description below. Would like to give a shout out to Third Beard Fishing Channel. Appreciate it if y'all go give Solomon a look. His description will be in the his information will be in the description below. Also, we appreciate Sheridan Park Farms. It's a wonderful YouTube channel. He's new in the wood miser world. You know, if you're watching this for wood miser, he's kind of new. He's learning, but him and his wife Sunder do a lot of farming up in Boone. I call it Boone. That's not the proper town, but for me, that's close to where it's located. And also, Joe Main with Industrial Cutting Tools. We love working with these guys. Whew, that's a mouthful. I think we're done. I'm going to get something to eat and sit down, and we'll see you back at the mill.
Thank you for watching. Here's a video selection and a playlist suggestion. Click here to subscribe for more great content. We'll see you at the mill.